Welcome to this comprehensive guide on customizing the header and footer in Shopify Refresher theme. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of personalizing your online store to match your brand identity. Firstly, it is essential to understand the importance of a well-designed header and footer in an e-commerce website. The header is typically where your logo, navigation menu, and search bar are located, while the footer contains secondary information such as contact details, social media links, and copyright information. To customize the header in Shopify Refresher theme, go to the Online Store section in your Shopify admin panel and click on Themes. Click on the Actions drop-down menu and select Edit Code. In the code editor, navigate to the Layout folder and open the header liquid file. Here you can modify the code to change the layout of your header, add or remove elements, and update the styling. For example, you can change the logo by replacing the default logo image with your own. You can also add a navigation menu by using the menu object and looping through the menu items to add a search bar. You can use the search form object and customize its appearance using CSS. Next, let us move on to customizing the footer. To do this, navigate to the Layout folder and open the footer liquid file. Here you can add or remove sections such as a newsletter sign-up form, social media links, and contact information. You can also update the styling of the footer using CSS. Best practices for customizing the header and footer include keeping the design simple and consistent with your brand identity. Ensure that the header and footer are responsive and work well on different devices. It is also essential to test your changes thoroughly to ensure that they do not break any functionality on your website. In conclusion, customizing the header and footer in Shopify Refresher theme is a straightforward process that can be done by editing the liquid files in the code editor. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a unique and professional-looking online store that reflects your brand identity. Remember to keep your design simple and test your changes thoroughly to ensure a seamless user experience.